soul inspired. When we open our hearts and are playful and attuned to nature and our inner self, the soul can be expressed and nature opens up. A path appears and it becomes clear, but the bend we cannot see around. We step into the unknown and we forge forward anyway. With excitement, we move toward the fork in the road. There is no wrong choice. We look to nature for an answer and guidance. The crow calls and gains our attention. Attuning to life around me, I can hear its messages. I can listen to the rhythm of my heart. Soul connection, soul inspired, follows the rhythm of my heart. Which path shall I choose? As I step forward, I see the crow and follow it into the sun. What message is here for me? Which path will allow me to soar and feel the sun on my face? There is no looking back. There is only forward, vision, and inspiration.